Good morning, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. For those of you that are new to these videos, when I say live, what I mean is that this is not a situation where I've already recorded everything and now I'm coming back and doing some sort of trade recap or post commentary or voiceover. Nothing like that. I'm recording myself, seeing the information for the very first time. So if you want raw emotions, raw reactions, raw thought process, you will get that here. But to honor your time, if you are looking for a nicely edited video, nicely scripted video, you're not going to get that here. But if you just want a nitty-gritty look into what it's like to be a day trader, how day trading can play out, then you'll find that here. So market opens up here in about 5 minutes. So I'll go ahead and pause and I'll see you back at the open. All right, markets are open. Well, they've been open a minute now. Watching Tesla here. Although, not sure if it's going to give me a setup, if it's just going to go straight up and then straight right back down. Maybe something there at 705. So yeah, I am going to get that alerted Tesla 705.50 flush point 1 minute. It's right here. If you're not familiar, I do offer a private community at claytrader.com. So there's an alert that's just made to members. I'm not in it, so it's not like I'm getting in and then alerting members or anything like that. Would like to see it stay above this candle here. There we go. In there at 705.60. Whoops, got a little too aggressive there. Still have 25 shares left though. So let's see if we can get this thing down below 703. Can still have 50 shares left. Going to go ahead and cancel those and let this last 25 work for me here if this thing wants to get moving some more. So yeah, let's see if this thing wants to get nice. Down through 703. Well, didn't last very long at all. All right, I'm just going to hop out there. So nice, $380 there. And you saw, I showed the alert before it even happened, and now it's bouncing. So glad I got out where I did. So very nice trade. It's 9:33 in the morning. So the market's been open 3 minutes. I'm already up $380. So very happy with that trade. But let's go check on Netflix. Okay, what is that? 507. 507, 510. So yeah, I could do 100 shares. Let's try. So again, looking at 507 here. Is that right? Yeah, 507. Well, at this point, I'm going to go to 507.50. So again, watching 507.50 here. And Tesla continues to bounce. So definitely played that one right. And I missed it. Dang it. Well, you can see, if you're not familiar with my screen. Oops, didn't have my marker ready. Let me get this in play here. If you looked over here, excuse me, you would have seen a white line show up. That means that I submitted the order to the market. Problem is, because it was white, it implies that it was not filled. Excuse me. Tesla, we're going to go again here. 704.50. In at 704.50. Let's see if we can get this down below 703. Finally. Or is this thing going to bounce on me? Only took 50 shares, so if I am wrong, looking like I might be, and I'm not. Oh, wow, what a spike back upwards. This thing wants to come back down to 703.50. I'm going to actually add in 50 shares if it comes back down. Because right now things are not looking too encouraging here. But yeah, 703.50. I'll look to add, which would be adding to a winner. So added some more there. Now let's see if we can actually get down below 703. Knocking on the door. There we go. Nice. Still have 50 shares left. Good, good. Can we get down through 701.50? Yes, we can. How am I out? I thought I still would have 25 shares left. Well, I'll have to go back and watch that in the video. That's, I suppose, comes with the territory of, I hit the record button, right? Please tell me I'm recording right now. All right, I am recording. So, all right, that's good at least. All right, well, there we are, 9:38. So 8 minutes in, and I'm up $560. $500 a day keeps the day job away, and I am very, very happy with that. And when you think about that, I mean, that one was only started off with 50 shares, added in 50 more, and it turned out to be very well. And with to give context, I do what is called the be done in 30 approach, or that's kind of my own thing. I call it. It's not like an official thing, but meaning I'm looking on average to be done trading, because this is a side hustle for me, just a way to bring in some extra funds, some play money, whatever you want to call it. And my goal is to be done every day on average 30 minutes. So here I'm wrapping it up, and we're not even 10 minutes in the day. Other times I've gone over 30 minutes, but point being, averages out to about 30 minutes. Because I do this not because I want the Rolex watch or the yacht. Now, if you want a yacht, if you want a Rolex watch collection, that's awesome. Seriously, go for it. I want you to get that Rolex watch collection. For me, I do it because I want freedom of time. I have a young family, 4 kids, so I want to be able to just now go and be able to do whatever I want to do. And if I can put 500, well, commissions, let's call it 550. If I can put $550 in my pocket for 8 minutes of work, I'm going to do that every single day of the week. Like, there's no question in my mind. That is a crazy amount of money when you actually stop and think about it. $550 in 8 minutes while working from home online. And I say all that just to help build perspective. As always, if you're anything like me, it's easy to look around social media, see really big numbers, and then look at your own results and say, wait, that's it? That's all I made? And then you think like you're doing something wrong. But no, I mean, keep things in perspective. Even if I made $100, really $100 in 8 minutes working from home, that's crazy. And look at Tesla still go. So definitely, like I said, I don't know if I'm not saying I would have still had my final 25 shares, but yeah. Anyways, I'm still super happy with that result. And I was looking a little shaky there when that one bounced, but chart didn't do anything, and then ultimately rolled back over, which was a beautiful thing to see there. But so like I said, be done in 30 on average. I'm well under that, $500. I'll take it. Before I do go, one request from me. These videos are very challenging because they are actually live. And when I have to talk to you, think about what I'm going to say to you. Think about my own trades, execute my own trades, which you saw me screw a pair, make alerts in the chat room, type up those alerts. There's a lot going on, and I've been doing these videos for years, and I will keep doing them, but from just a good old-fashioned kind of time management 101 perspective, I want to make sure that these are still worth my time to do. So if they are worth my time, meaning do you enjoy them, then you can please communicate that to me with two things. Hit the like button, smash the like button, whatever I'm supposed to say, and then leave a simple comment, even if it's just a thumbs up emoji, smiley face emoji, a unicorn emoji. But those two things, like button, basic comment, go a long way in communicating. Hey, Clay, yeah, please keep doing them. They're worth your time. And as long as I know they're worth my time, then I have no problem doing them at all. So do those couple things, and that helps me out quite a bit. Then also just check out the channel as a whole. Hopefully you like what you see enough to hit that subscribe button, as I'd love to have you as a subscriber. But everybody take care. Have a good one. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.